What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here with my kids. Tonight we're going to do the viral pickle dip video at the request of a certain individual here. I figured since she asked for it, she's going to make it along with this one. All right, introduce yourself.
My name's Seth.
I'm Michaela.
All right, we're going to get everything going. Show you how it's done. Keep watching, bud.
I'm scared. Don't help.
No, you got it. Cook it.
Let it go on.
Looks like it. Somebody's so scared to cook bacon.
It's hurting me.
All right, everybody. We got a whole 32-ounce container of Grillo's regular dill pickles, diced up, large dice to the bowl. Now we're going to add 5 chopped green onions, 5 pieces of bacon fried, and 1 jalapeno diced. And then we're going to add a whole cup of pickle juice. With the garlic and everything in it. All right. Now we're going to add a whole tub of whipped cream cheese. As Michaela gets it all out of the thing. All right, now we'll use the same spoon. We got half a cup of sour cream and a half a cup of Greek yogurt. We're going to add that to the mix. Now we're going to add 2 packs of ranch seasoning. And 1 pack of sharp cheddar cheese. And we're going to mix everything together and hopefully not make a mess. Whoa, stay in there. Fold it in. You might have to get some more sour cream. Might have went a little too much with a cup of.
Are you still
I'm still recording, yes.
We grow together.
Fails and wins, bud. Fails and wins. Yeah, we use too much pickle juice. You'll lose a lot of flavor.
Or can I?
We'll let him finish mixing that up, see what we need, and see what we can do to thicken it up. We'll be back. All right, so we're still thin, so we're going to add another about a half a cup of sour cream and mix that in. All right, sorry folks, my storage got full, but we're still mixing and starting to thicken up. All right, nice and thick. So we got it all mixed up. We'll do a taste test here in a minute. And the good thing about this Grillo's container, we can put the dip back in it and put it back in the fridge. All right, we'll get set up for our taste test. And we'll get it set up and let everybody see and see everybody's reaction on tasting it. Give us
Be
just a
good.
minute. All right, everybody. Here we are. I had to fight off my big back son over there ready to test it.
All right.
He's not really in the frame here. We all got our chip. We're going to taste test it now. We'll let Michaela go first.
How do you?
And then I'll test it.
That's pretty good.
It is.
It tastes pretty good.
Mm. See, if you trusted me more, you would make more good stuff.
Mm.
Someone not going to cut me on the video. Remember, guys, if you ain't trying,
You ain't making it, bud.
you ain't making it, bud. Now we got to get the big back in there to test it. Y'all have a good one.
That's gonna get you views.